In the golden warmth of the morning sun, rows of banana trees stretch endlessly across the horizon. Their long emerald leaves sway gently with the breeze, whispering secrets of the harvests to come. This is where the story begins. In the lush plantations where one of the world's most beloved snacks takes its first breath. Every banana chip starts as a simple fruit, soft, delicate, full of sweetness. But through an extraordinary transformation of science, craftsmanship, and precision, it becomes something far greater. The perfect crunch that travels from tropical orchards to snack aisles around the world. As dawn breaks, farmers rise with the light. Skilled hands move through the plantation, selecting each banana with care. Not every banana can become a chip. Only the firm, starchy varieties known as plantains are chosen. These bananas are different from the soft dessert bananas you eat raw. They're tougher, less sweet, and have the perfect texture to withstand heat. Each bunch can weigh up to 50 kilograms, hanging like green chandeliers in the sunlight. Workers skillfully cut them down using sharp, curved knives, balancing precision and speed in a rhythm learned through years of experience. Within hours of harvest, the bananas are loaded into trucks and sent to nearby factories, because freshness is everything. As the trucks rumble down narrow dirt roads, the air is filled with the scent of ripening fruit. In this moment, nature meets industry, and at the gates of the banana chip factory, a new kind of transformation begins. Inside, the factory hums with motion. Conveyor belts glide. Stainless steel machines gleam. Workers in crisp uniforms move with practiced efficiency. Every step is part of a carefully designed process, a choreography of engineering and human skill, turning raw fruit into golden perfection. The bananas arrive in crates and are immediately sorted. Each one is inspected by hand and machine. The overripe or damaged ones are removed, leaving only those with ideal color and firmness. Then comes the first step of preparation, washing. Powerful sprays of clean, filtered water wash away every trace of soil and latex. This is more than cleaning. It's a ritual of renewal, stripping away the outer world so the real process can begin. Next, the bananas pass through the peeling section. In smaller factories, workers peel them by hand with astonishing speed, the rhythm of their movements echoing like a soft drumbeat through the room. In large-scale industrial plants, machines take over, rotating drums with sharp blades gently slit the thick skins, separating peel from flesh in seconds. The peeled bananas move on a long stainless steel conveyors, gleaming under bright lights. Here, they're sliced into perfect thin rounds, about 1.5 millimeters thick. This precision matters. Too thin, and they'll burn. Too thick, and they'll turn soggy. As the slicers hum, thousands of banana coins rain down in neat, rhythmic cascades, a golden waterfall of future chips. The slices fall into huge vats of clear water mixed with a mild brine solution. This soaking step prevents oxidation, keeping their natural pale color from turning brown before frying. From there, the transformation accelerates. The soaked slices are drained and sent toward the heart of the factory, the frying line. Rows of industrial fryers stretch across the floor, filled with pure, filtered oil heated to around 180 degrees Celsius. The moment the banana slices hit the oil, they sizzle and dance, bubbles racing to the surface as moisture evaporates and the chips turn crisp. It's a moment of magic. From soft fruit to crisp perfection, the metamorphosis happens in seconds. Technicians monitor every parameter: oil temperature, frying time, batch load, because consistency is everything. The slightest variation can alter the crunch, the flavor, even the aroma. After about 2 minutes, the chips emerge, light, golden, shimmering with oil. But the journey isn't over. They travel on a series of vibrating conveyors where excess oil is gently removed. Then, a stream of cool air rushes over them, locking in that perfect texture. Now comes the moment that defines every chip: seasoning. A fine mist of flavoring powder coats the chips as they tumble in rotating drums. Salted, spicy, honey-coated, sometimes even pepper lime or chili garlic. Every region has its signature taste. The smell is irresistible. Warm oil, salt, and the sweetness of freshly fried bananas blending into one intoxicating aroma that fills the entire factory floor. Here, science meets creativity. Food technologists work tirelessly to perfect the seasoning balance, testing different oils, salt particle sizes, and spice ratios. Even the way flavor powder sticks to each chip depends on humidity and air temperature. Each batch is tested for crispness using acoustic sensors. Yes, machines that literally listen to the sound of a bite, ensuring that every crunch has the same satisfying snap. It's a symphony of precision, guided by human passion. Once cooled, the chips glide toward the packaging section. Automated scales drop exact weights into metallic pouches. The machines seal each one in milliseconds with a blast of heat, airtight, preserving freshness for months. On every packet, tiny codes are printed, the time, date, and batch number, so every chip can be traced back to its origin if needed. Workers pack the pouches into cardboard boxes, stacking them neatly onto pallets. Forklifts hum softly as they carry the pallets into temperature-controlled warehouses, ready for shipment. But beyond all this machinery, there's something deeper happening here, something human. These factories aren't just about snacks, they're about livelihoods. Every crunch you hear in a banana chip carries the sound of thousands of hands. Farmers, sorters, machinists, engineers, all working in harmony across continents. In southern India, where banana chips are a cultural icon, small-scale family factories still thrive alongside industrial giants. Generations work together, peeling, frying, seasoning, passing down not just skills, but pride. For them, banana chips aren't just a product. They're tradition, flavor, and memory. In other parts of the world, from the Philippines to Costa Rica, global brands have scaled up the process, exporting these golden snacks to markets from New York to Tokyo. Yet, even as automation grows, the essence remains the same, transforming nature's gift into joy. Each chip you taste is a tiny story of sun and soil, of steam and oil, of people and precision. It carries the warmth of the tropics and the hum of machinery, bound together by the universal language of flavor. Back on the plantation, as a new day dawns, farmers walk among the banana trees again. The circle continues, from orchard to factory to your hands. The journey never really ends. And in that moment, as you bite into that perfect golden crunch, you're not just tasting a snack. You're tasting a journey, a blend of nature's sweetness, human ingenuity, and the timeless pursuit of perfection. Because behind every simple banana chip lies a world of complexity, a story of science, craft, and care that connects us all, one crunch at a time. Music swells. The hum of machines fades into the rustle of banana leaves. From orchard to crunch, this is the story of the world's banana chip.